Hey everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to swap, trade, convert or transfer Bitcoin, also known as BTC, into Dogecoin on Binance. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is to go over to Binance and log in. Now, once you're logged in, you need to go over to the top left and then you want to click on Markets. You'll then be sent over to a page looking similar to this one. And over on this page, you need to go over to BTC markets, and then you want to go over to the search bar and search for Dogecoin. Ticker symbol DOGE. You'll then see this pair pop up, and here you need to click on the trade button. You'll then be sent over to a page looking similar to this one. And on this page, you need to go over to the place order section. If you're using the Pro layout, this will be on the right side of your screen, and if you're using the default layout, this will be in the middle of your screen down at the bottom. Now, you want to go over to Market, and fill in the amount of BTC you would like to swap, trade, convert, transfer, change, or however you want to name it, into Dogecoin. So I don't hold any Bitcoin as of right now, but for the example, I'll just fill in .005 BTC. So once you've filled in the amount of BTC you would like to convert into Doge, all that's left to do is to click on Buy Doge. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.